Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got home from work and I wanted to film a video. So it's literally 12 a.m. but I have all of this creative juice flowing through my brain and I wanted to do something. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the new contacts that I got from TTDI. I don't think I did like a real unboxing for my last order. My last order, I ordered 3, actually threw out 2 of the lenses. I have my Egypt Brown. I'll leave a picture up here on what they look like. So this time around when I was choosing my colors, I chose ones that weren't, how do I want to say? That weren't so... Like, the ones I threw out were like Queen Gray, which made my eyes look really blue, and it just looked really out of place on my face. I didn't like them at all. And then the other lens that I threw out was called Lolly Gray. It kind of made your eyes look like an anime character, like it made them bigger, and it had like circles of gray in it. Like, I thought it was gonna look really cool. It looked terrible. So I threw those ones out. Kept my Egypt Brown because those are the ones that look most natural. Those are the ones that kind of look like if they were my eyes, like they fit my face. They're still striking, but they're not striking because they look fake. They're striking because the contrast with my undertones and then the warmth of the lens, it's like a greenish hazel-ish kind of lens. Like I said, I'll show the picture again. I really like those contacts and they're very comfortable. So I ordered again. And TTDI is always having sales, so with this, it's buy one, get 2 free, or buy 2, get 1 free. One of the two. Anyway, I paid less than $100 for these. And this time, I ordered ones I thought were going to be really, really cool. So, this is what the inside of the box looks like. And this is what the lenses come in. They come in these individual boxes. And I actually have a lens case for all of my lenses. I just haven't used it yet. But each shipment that you get comes with these individual lens cases that you can use. Now, 2 of the lenses that I ordered were on sale. So the packaging is not as nice as it was with my Egypt Brown ones. This is really the only one that's sealed, and this is the Queen Brown. But I know I ordered one that is like a pinky, so I'm gonna open this one and see what it is. So the contacts come one in each little pod, as you can see, and they're in solution. And the strength of these is 0. So with TTDI, you can either get contacts that are prescription or you can get ones that are just plain. So I don't wear glasses, so I don't need a prescription contact lens. So I just get the plain ones. And I really don't know which ones these are because I know I ordered one that was like pinky. So I'm going to put these back because I want to do something, I don't know. I kind of want to do something pinky for Valentine's Day. Let's see what this one looks like. Like I said, this packaging is not as nice as the first ones I got. Here are the pinky ones. These are the pink ones. They are pink and they have a brown ring. I think I'm going to wear those for this video. But let me get my phone and tell you exactly what shades I ordered. Alright, so what I ordered was Ice Brown. And those were the first ones that I showed you that are in this container. I'm going to be using these in a different video. And this is not going to be a tutorial, by the way. This is just going to be me doing my makeup. But it's going to be inspired by the contact lens. Next is the Gaea Pink, which is this what I just showed you. It's the pinky toned ones. And then the Queen Brown is the box that was actually sealed. Now this is the most expensive of all of them. So I think that's why they took a little bit more time to like make sure the package was good. But I don't really care if the boxes are sealed or not, as long as the actual contact lens is sealed, which it is obviously. And then right here it tells you what the prescription is, which like I said is 0. And I really like this packaging. So I'm gonna go off camera, pop these in, and then we're gonna get started with the makeup look. So these are the Gaea Pink lenses. Now I did have to swap them when I put this contact lens in this eye, it was kind of irritating my eye. But when I moved it to this eye, it feels like I'm not wearing anything. So when you are putting these lenses on, they don't tell you which one goes on the right or which one goes on the left. So you're gonna have to figure that out yourself when you take it out of the package. But then when you put them in their little container after their first use, of course, making sure you have contact lens solution in these. Just make sure you put the right contact lens in the right slot. So of course, this is my left eye, it's gonna go in the left slot. This is my right eye, it's gonna go in the right slot. So I like how they look. Honestly, without any kind of like makeup or anything, they look kind of weird in my face. Let me zoom you out so I can show you what I mean. Like they look kind of, it kind of looks like, it kind of looks like I have those vampire eyes like from Twilight, except like pinky. So I'm probably gonna like have to wear these with makeup only. I don't think I can walk around with it. I think I look kind of ridiculous. So I mean, but that's okay. Like I buy contact lenses because I like, number one, to change up my look. It inspires me to do something different with my makeup. And then number two, if they look natural enough, I just wear them on a day-to-day because I like changing up my look. Okay, I've been looking like this for 34 years. I kind of get bored. So that's why I like to purchase these little things like hair and contact lenses and do my makeup, because I like changing how I look. And the best part is all of it is removable. So I can always go back to my original look when I don't want to be bothered. Okay, so I'm probably going to do something brown and pink. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. I haven't used this in a minute, but it does have a lot of browns in it. A lot of browns and golds and shimmers. So it does have this little pink color right here, this Serenity color right there. It's got this shade down here, Hideaway, if you can see that. And it also has this shade Quartz. So I'm going to do some swatches off camera, get a look together, and then I'm going to come back and we are going to start on the complexion. And this is just going to be a voiceover from this point on. I'm going to turn on my audiobook, which you guys know I've been listening to Game of Thrones on Audible. I don't have a link or anything with them, but I love Audible. I legitimately love Audible. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. Hope you stay tuned. And let's get started. I'm going to leave all the products that I used for my complexion down below in the description box if you want to check it out. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know how I do my foundation routine. I like to do my concealer, highlighting and contouring underneath my foundation. And then if my under eyes need a little bit more brightening, I go in with a tad bit more highlighting concealer. But like I said, you guys have seen that plenty of times. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So I'm just going to shut up, let some music play, and let you zen out to watching me do my face. I love watching complexion routines, so that's why I tend to leave them in my videos. If you guys get annoyed of this, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll start cutting them out, but until someone says something, I'm just going to try to leave them in as much as I can. Alright, I'm going to shut up now. Enjoy.
World of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got days we'll just ride around the nursery and couch. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. And I probably already said it in my voiceover, but I am going to be coming out with a couple more couple more Valentine's Day looks. So definitely make sure you are subscribed and turn on that notification button if you don't want to miss any of those. And after that, I'm going to be popping in my other contacts that I purchased and doing some more inspired looks based around them. And if you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And for those of you that have been leaving me comments and DMs on how I get my lips to look so big, you just saw me do it in this video. Rewind it, girl. Super friggin' easy. So if you are looking to get lip injections, trust and believe you don't need to. You just need a little bit of contour, honey, okay? Nothing but contour. Anyway, guys, before you leave, please make sure you check out one of those videos. You know, it helps your girl out. Make sure you share this video because sharing is caring. And smash that like button. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.